When you run batches, we will automatically store temporarily the document that you create. This document will be stored for 1 day and are encrypted. If you would like to retrieve some of them, what you need to do is get the Conga job ID. Then there will be a specific endpoint to download the file. So in my case, API high volume v1 document. Again, be careful of your prefix as it will change depending on what is the location of the platform, as well as if you're in preview and production. You will provide the batch ID and the ID of the document that you just retrieved. If you send the request, it will automatically show you the document.
All roads lead to the Conga customer community. Connect with peers, access exclusive resources, and stay ahead with the latest insights. Click the link in the video description to log in now and start exploring.